how you can track your crypto portfolio. Welcome everybody again for another video from me, Nawid Crypto, the leading expert of Moneyfest online school, and most importantly, your expert in the crypto world. Today we're going to check how finally you can track your crypto portfolio and what are the tools you can manage and monitor your investments. So let's roll on. Well, what is a portfolio tracker? It means you already have significant coins, significant amount of money inside your portfolio. How you can track that? It means tools that help you to track your cryptocurrency holdings and performance based on real-time data. If something is going up and down, you can finally check your portfolio and you can track them. So basically it keeps track of the real-time prices, portfolio values, and finally investment growths. So that's the best thing, that you can finally understand what is going on with your portfolio and how you can finally maximize it, and you can change it based on real-time data. Now, top 3 portfolio trackers: CoinStats, Blockfolio, and Delta. So basically what are they doing? CoinStats, basically it syncs with exchange and wallet. So you link your wallet with different wallets and exchanges, and it syncs automatically every single time, and you can see your real-time data price and you can finally track it. So it tracks multiple portfolios and provides detailed analytics. It means that you can have a detailed analytics, you can finally change something, and you can have one portfolio based on different portfolios that we have, and you can have one interface that you can check all of that in real time. And most importantly, it can have a setting for price alerts and track news. On the other hand, we have Delta. Delta is basically the user-friendly interface where you can finally sync with money exchanges and wallets, and it provides for you the portfolio analysis, and most importantly, you can check the performance of different graphs and charts. And most importantly, the third one is Blockfolio. It's very simple and easy to use interface. You can see the real-time price updates, and finally you can track your portfolio. So you can have the feature price alerts and finally news updates. So in general, it helps you to track your portfolio, to finally analyze it and finally make it in a way that you can finally maximize your profit in your portfolio. And if there is something that you need to change in your portfolio, you can finally get updated with these portfolio trackers. Now, how you can track your portfolio? Number 1 is basically syncing with exchanges. It means you link your wallet or exchange account to automatically track your holdings. Let's say you have 3 different exchanges or wallets, and you link them with one of the trackers, and it automatically gives you the opportunity that you can track your holdings on real time. And you can see that in which of your exchanges you need to change something, and you can finally make it in a different way. Second, real-time updates and price alerts. It means that you can set price alerts, that you can stay informed when your coins reach certain point or certain prices. For example, you want all of your portfolios that if the Bitcoin hits 100K, so you'd be alert, and then you can sell and you can make maximum amount of that. So this trackers will help you for all of your multiple accounts, that you can finally receive the real-time updates and price alerts. And the last thing is basically you can view the performance graphs. It means you can visualize your portfolio's growth or less with detailed graphs and analytics, like in which of your portfolio, in which of your account you have, for example, the maximum profit and where you have the minimum. So you can track and you can finally analyze your portfolio in a way that you can finally make significant amount of money there. Now, that's it about the crypto portfolios. As always, guys, follow Moneyfest World on social media, because this is where you will get the maximum update about crypto world, and you can finally make it happen with the cryptocurrency. So do not forget to follow and put a like and subscribe the channel. And I will see you in the other video. Bye.